channel. This is Joe with Wide Open Throttle coming at you with another Honda Ruckus install. Today we're going to be putting on FLP shuttle foot pegs, and I have foot pegs now, but I'm changing up the color scheme. I don't want red anymore, so now I got black FLP shuttle pegs. Now the ones I'm replacing are from the Ruck Shop. They serve their purpose. They came with hardware. They're the good ones with the rounded edges. There's nothing wrong with them. I just don't like the color, so I'm gonna change them up. So let's jump right into the video. I'm gonna show you how to install some foot pegs. Be right with you. Okay, everybody, I already went ahead and took off the nuts and bolts to this foot peg to try to keep this video short. But if you got these are the ones from the Ruck Shop. They're nice pegs, there's nothing wrong with them. They got the nice rounded edges so you don't slice your leg open. You'll get the pegs and you'll get a bolt and a washer and a nut in the package. Now if you were installing these, you would put the bolt through first, and then since I have setbacks, obviously I'm not going to put them there, but you put the bolt through and then it would go right in this hole, right where my nut is. There's a hole. They go right in there. The nut goes on behind. You're going to need an extension with a 17 and an open-ended 17 to fit in here, but I'm not doing that. I'm just putting these pegs on the back here. So you're definitely going to want to Loctite these. So grab yourself some blue Loctite, put a little dab on, because these suckers will come loose from riding. These ones are pretty simple. Nut, bolt, washer. If you were putting them here, nut goes in the frame back here, and that's it, and then you screw it on. I don't stand on these or nothing like that, so I'm not really too worried about, I'm not standing up on these things or anything. I'm not worried about them coming off. And you need a 17 and you just tighten. That's it, pretty much. That's really all there is to installing a peg. Those suckers are solid, and once you put the Loctite on there, they're not going to come off. All right, guys, let me do the other side, and then I'll do a quick walk around for you, what they look like. Be right with you. Okay, I'm back with you here. I'm all done with the install. Simple. Anybody can install foot pegs, minimal tools. I think they're a great addition. They make the bike very stable because your feet are more to the side, so you're in a more stable position. Let me give you a quick overview of these FLP shuttle pegs. These are powder coated black. These are very, very nice pegs. Nice rounded edges. Like I said, there was nothing wrong with the Ruck Shop ones, but these are just better quality, and I really want to support FLP, give them my business. If you guys have been following me, you knew my bike was camouflage, and as you can see, it's not camouflage anymore. So I'm deciding to change it up a little bit. So there you go. There's the other peg. Really nice pegs. Really nice pegs. Definitely worth the money. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions or comments, I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you guys. Appreciate everybody for stopping by and spending a little time with me and checking out my videos. The next video I will probably be doing either a ride along, or I bought a whole bunch of FLP dress up hardware. I'm swapping out all this red dress up hardware and I got all black. So until the next time, thank you guys for watching. Ride safe. Peace.